In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a personal portfolio using Canva, perfect for beginners, and it's 2025. Crafting a personal portfolio is a fantastic way to showcase your skills and experiences, whether you're looking to impress potential clients, land a new job, or simply keep track of your accomplishments. And the best part, with tools like Canva, creating a professional looking portfolio is simple and straightforward, even if you've never done it before. So, let's dive right in. To start off, head over to Canva's website. Once you're there, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your account or sign up if you don't have one yet. Once you're all set, go to the search bar at the top of the page and type in portfolio. You'll see a range of templates specifically designed for creating portfolios, which can be a great starting point to ease your design process. Now that we've typed in portfolio and hit enter, take a moment to scroll through the variety of templates on offer. These templates are crafted by designers to help guide you and provide inspiration, so feel free to choose one that aligns with your personal style or the theme you're targeting for your portfolio. When you find a template that catches your eye, click on it to open it up. With your chosen template open, you'll see an option that says customize this template. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic happens. Canva's editing interface is intuitive and packed with features. Now that you're in edit mode, you can start personalizing the template to truly make it your own. Let's begin with the visuals. You can swap out any placeholder images with your own work or photos that represent you. Simply click on the image you want to change and choose to either upload one from your device or select from Canva's extensive library of free and premium images. With a few clicks, the visual aspect of your portfolio starts to transform into a reflection of your unique identity and style. Next, it's time to edit the text. Click on any text box and start typing away. Include your name, a brief bio, your skills or specializations, and of course any accolades or experiences that speak to your capabilities. Remember, clarity and conciseness are key. You want to keep your audience engaged without overwhelming them with too much information. Feeling happy with your design so far? Awesome! It's time to get this portfolio out there. Navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click on Share. From here you can download your creation in various formats like PDF or JPEG, depending on how you plan to use it. Consider the platform or medium through which your portfolio will be viewed and choose the format accordingly to ensure clarity and quality. And that's it, you've now created a stunning personal portfolio using Canva. Remember, the portfolio is a living document. Feel free to return and tweak things as your journey evolves. Thanks for watching, and we hope you feel empowered to showcase your best self.